Hello everyone, my name is Mashkur Ali, and today I am going to clear a common doubt. Does Chase Bank really have a notary service? Instead of guessing, we'll go straight to the official Chase website to find the truth. I'll guide you on how to reach out to your local branch, what steps you should follow to confirm notary availability, and also whether this service comes at no cost or with a fee. Let's begin. To get the correct answers to all these questions, we came to the official Chase Bank website where they talk about notary signing agents. These are the agents who provide notary services. They are different from public notaries. Public notaries are authorized by the state, while the notary signing agents are separately certified agents and also have full authority to provide notary services. However, in this article, Chase Bank did not directly mention whether it provides notary services or not. But if such an article exists on this website, it means Chase Bank does provide notary services. Now let's move to the next article, where Chase Bank's official website has uploaded a PDF. This PDF shows the services available at different Chase branches. As we scroll down, we can see checking accounts, coin and currency transactions, and at the end of this list, it says notary services. From this PDF, it becomes 100% clear that Chase Bank provides notary services because notary services are included in its official list of products and services. But here's the catch. Chase Bank has around 5,000 branches. Some are small and some are large. This service is not available in many of these smaller branches. Now, another main point, how can you find out whether the Chase branch near you has notary services or not? For this solution, we need to use a third tool called the Chase Bank Branch Locator tool. You'll find its link in the description. You just need to open this locator and search for your nearest branch. You can also browse by state. As soon as you click on Browse by State, you will get the search option. You can type the name of your state, or you can directly write the name of your city here. For example, I type Jamesville and hit enter. Now all the Chase branches in Jamesville appear here. To find the branch, you need the details for the one closest to you. There's also a Google map attached here. You can zoom in on the map and check which branch is nearest to you. Suppose branch number 7 is near you. Just click on it and all the details of that branch will open. You'll also see a small arrow icon here. Click on it, and after waiting a few seconds, all the details of that branch will appear, including the full address and the contact number. Now you can directly call the branch and ask whether they have notary services or not. Banks usually provide notary services because every bank has a home loan department, and notary services are required during the home loan process. So directly call your branch. If they confirm that yes, notary services are available, then scroll down a little and click on Meet with Us. As soon as you click, if you are a Chase customer, you should select yes, and if not, then select no. Remember, notary services at Chase are free of cost, but only if you are already a customer. You need to click yes and then next. After that, follow a few more steps and your appointment will be scheduled. On the day and time of your appointment, you just need to visit the branch and use the notary service